All right, number 4, 18 and 9/10 minus 3 and 51/100. Now notice, when I add and subtract decimals, what do I have to do with my decimals? I've got to line it up. All right, so now the 3 goes in front of the decimal under the 8. The 51 goes behind the decimal. Now notice, I have 2 digits on the bottom and only 1 digit on the top. That means I have to annex a 0. I've got to put something there. Now I can also put something up there, but it's not going to be as you're not going to need it. But you have to have it at the top. So now let's go ahead and subtract. All right? So let's do it. Cannot take 1 from 0. I have to go to the 9, borrow from the 9, make that an 8. 10 minus 1 gives me 9. 8 minus 5 gives me 3. Decimal straight down. 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 18 and 9/10 minus 3 and 51/100 gives me 15 and 39/100.